How to remove background in CapCut PC. In this video, I will guide you entire steps that how can you remove background from your video properly. Whether you are using mobile or PC, all the steps are same. Just make sure to watch till the end. Actually, it's pretty easy, mate. First of all, open your CapCut application. Tap here to import the video. Then drag your video to the timeline. As you can see the background in the video. To remove it, tap on video. Here in the video section, you tap on Remove BG. Now there are two options, Auto Removal and Chroma Key. If you have a random video with random background, then you will select Auto Removal and it will remove your background using AI. If you want to remove green screen, then you will tap on Chroma Key. For now, tap on Auto Removal and it'll start processing. It'll take around 2 to 3 minutes and your video background will be removed. To add another background, simply import your video or picture into CapCut and drag it to timeline. Note, one thing that we will place the background first. Then we will place our green screen video in upper timeline. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.